I think you set yourself up very nicely.
I shouldn't have done it this way, but I have. So that was a hit. Now, strength 5. So I don't. So that is 6 armor saves.
6.
Yeah.
One didn't make it. See if we're all feeling the pain. Nope. One's dead. So does it?
No,
is it front?
No.
It don't matter.
Now we have jump moves.
Alrighty.
This white guy, move 8. I'm just moving to there. This white guy, moving 6. I'm moving to there. So this white guy, move 6. I'm going to move into there. The riptides on the side here. The red hat can move 5. The green hat can also move 5. And the blue hat can move 7. This.
What primary did you pick?
I picked N, sorry.
No, I just forgot to ask.
But I'm.
We're going to.
Right.
Sorry, I'm trying to think of any way I can to squeak it out.
Oh, I mean, you're going to start to pick up. You're going to drop pods on this.
Yeah, but I'm not very killy. That's the problem.
And I agree, you're not killy, but there's still a huge number of things to work with, or work against. These guys can move 12, so they're all going to hide behind the wall here. And they're all going to have to take tests. Okay, 4 missile pods, all okay. Plasma is okay. Cyclone missile, cyclone blaster, he's okay. Fusion blaster, alright. Shadow Sun is okay. It is your turn. Yeah.
Right here, direct. I don't bother putting down the doors unless they fall.
Okay.
It's just, you know, we can draw
Yeah.
lines like that. Oh wait, never mind. Whatever. I said I was done. Whatever. I'll just do 3 tack squads.
That's fine. I'm good.
It don't matter. Because why not? 3 inches back.
Move it,
Yeah,
please.
sure, that's fine. All the rest of these are just tack marines. I'll put the tack marines out after I drop everything. Direct. And let's go over here to this other objective, because why not? 6.
7,
That's yours. Okay. What's the toughness on them?
On whom?
The riptides?
The riptides are toughness 6.
Okay.
The crisis suits are all toughness 4, with the exception of Shadow Sun, who's a 3. She's Gerby.
Sending everybody to die.
Yeah.
He tore me up first turn, man.
I know, I saw.
Yeah, oh, that's great.
I was watching the video. I kept peeking in because
It's okay.
Sean's watching it out there.
Yeah.
We just looked at all the tanks turn around and
Yeah.
just like, oof.
It happens.
Yeah.
Stand that.
Just one of those factions. Hi. Yeah, I don't like him either, but you know, teach your own. Teach your own, you know. No, it's not
Sure, you're a little biased.
Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. I'm still going the same distance.
I don't know. I don't know. It's just something about it. I don't know what.
I think we're all bad mouthing. I'm losing, so I'm gonna start talking shit on Pal. All right, I guess it's shooting phase.
They just got their pinning check.
The heavy bolters are gonna snapshot into the big guy over here.
He's a big guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Reroll these two. One, I need a 5 to a 6 is a
5.
5, yes. Nothing.
Okay.
Good to go. Storm bolter, same deal. 2 hits, 6s. Nothing. Storm bolter from that drop pod. 2 hits. I need 6s. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You have a melted round.
Okay, I'm gonna do the bolter to get him out of the way. Roll that. 6s. That was all my 6s probably right there. Alright, so 2 normal saves.
Right, they're 2 up armor.
Here's the Melta. Nothing. Good figure,
Yeah.
right?
I hope I just positioned that so that the charge was impossible.
No, I was seeing if I went in range of the grab. I'm not, so.
Oh, you've got grab in there.
Yeah, there's
haven't
2
you?
grab guns.
Oh, right. That certainly changes the respect that I feel for them.
Alright, well, I'm gonna shoot them into that guy. This tax squad.
Into this one?
Yeah, I'll do the drop pod first. 1 hit. Nothing. 4 bolters. Rapid firing, of course. Ugh. 3 hits. 1 wound.
1 wound.
Yep. Good to go.
That's it.
Melta. Hit.
Hits.
Wound.
Wounds. And they have a 5 up invuln.
Good to go.
Couple of your
Alright.
dice has just fallen off the table there.
As soon as you said it, I heard it. I heard it bouncing. Alright, so 1's rapid fire, the rest aren't. And then here's the Melta. Do the Melta first. Nothing. That's cool. Bolters. Yeah, they're all going in, by the way. 1 hit. Nothing. Alright, Storm Bolter. 1 hit. Nothing. We will do heavy bolters from this Razorback onto him. 3 hits. I need 5s. 2 normal saves.
2 normal saves. There's a 1 in there.
Oh.
I always count up when it was this one you were shooting at.
I count up as well. Yes.
Yeah.
When I use dice, I count up. Shit. I'm going to turbo boost. Turbo bikes. I just don't shoot. And I gotta roll. I'm gonna roll difficult terrain for most of them. For 3 of them. All right. Here's the chapter. Of course, he made it.
Yeah.
Chaplain, good. The other guy, no. He's good. The other guys didn't hit.
Okay.
Dreadnought's gonna run. Alright,
So he's going to.
that's about it for my turn. I gotta roll my 8 will not dies on my chapter master. I got my wound back.
Which
Take that
takes him back up to the top.
He's full,
doesn't it?
yeah.
He's full.
Yeah, did you hear about
Okay,
Wednesday?
so the
5
six,
units going first turn before he even went.
the six-man squad.
I lost 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't kill anything either, so there's my secondary.
No, but the secondary doesn't start. Oh, sorry, that's
I
secondary.
lost
Yeah.
my 1 secondary, yeah.
Right, okay. The six-man squad
I lost 4.
comes in. The five-man squad does not come in.
Of course.
So I think the six-man squad
Little bastards.
can come in here. Maybe they can come in here.
This operation give Bill some points. I'm gonna be up here a lot this month because Kimmy starts her driver's ed Tuesday.
Really?
So, and I'm coming up for that prepper tournament. So there's
When is that?
Sunday. So I might just. I'm not.
Okay.
This game is not gonna fucking be good.
Yeah. This one is going to be it's Nova Charge, and he gets it. Nova Charge gets it. Nova Charge. He gets it.
Go.
Right. They are going to.
Shoot at everything.
No. Yeah. They're going to.
It's your world.
Yeah,
You have
I know.
tons of stuff to shoot at.
I do realise that they are going to Whiffle 5 again. These boys, we're not sure what they're going to do yet. So this one gets it with double threes. This one gets it with a 5.
The tertiaries, does that
This
start turn
one-
2 or 1?
Starts on
Turn two.
turn 2. And he gets in with the 6 over there. And they. And they might be doing.
You're still good. You
yeah.
can take a couple turns off.
Well, 4 dice for their jump moves. I'm not. I'm
1. I'm gonna max out on. I'm gonna max out on primaries.
Turn by turn.
You can't. I mean, it's so hard to pick the other one with the Gladius. You're kind of dumb if you don't. I'll probably max out or get close to max first. It depends on how fast it starts knocking units off and stuff.
So then you gotta look at
I've already lost one of my secondaries. I did a wound on one of the Riptides.
I don't know if I would have picked first strike against this.
I should have picked.
It wasn't first blood, it was first strike. Which
Right, but
Well, the
is-
problem-
I still don't think I would have picked first strike.
He
against
told me.
John.
He told me exactly what to take, and my dummy. I'm camouflage. Camouflage dead. Oh shit! Another seat. Safe.
You can always put your bag on there and sit down.
I'm good. This is more out of the way. Give Bill some room to maneuver. I don't want his ass in my face. I'm sitting there. Yeah.
Three.
Yeah, that's the problem with an army playing against an army like yours that has a lot of firepower. Those tanks don't really do a lot in my list, but they give you a threat to pull some of the steam off of my stuff coming in. And because if you don't pay attention to vindicators are bad.
Yeah, I can certainly understand.
So most people, if they can't knock the vindicators out first turn, they have to worry about all my stuff dropping in, they have to deal with, and then they have to worry about me throwing vindicator shells in there. So it's kind of like if you don't get those kills the first turn, it's like, do I pay attention to all the attack marines running around, or do I just